In this video, I will show you how to earn 15 for every video you watch, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We are finding out. This is how to make money online by watching videos. In today's video, I show you a new platform that pays you after watching videos, movies, video games. The best part is that all this can be done while resting, so it won't be that hard. Just pick up your phone or laptop, relax, go to a website and watch a video. The website pays you 15 when you finish a videos, so it's not really a lot of money, but it can be pretty cool because it is very easy and simple part from the fact that is available all over the world. The cool thing is that you can watch it on your smart TVs or mobile device while you are resting. The more movies you watch and more video games you play, the more money you earn. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Now let's start. The first and main platform that we will use to get free money is watching videos. It is called Animation Arena. Here we can find different options about movies and video games. People give their feedback on this particular blog from or whatever you call it. The most interesting part about this website is that it actually pays you to watch movies or play video games. So we will use this feature to earn $15 over and over again. And the best thing is that you don't need to invest and you don't need any special experience or skills to do this. This website welcomes people from all over the world. Now all you have to do is go to this website that I will link to in the comments section. You don't need any writing skills for this because you won't be writing an essay or anything. Just have to watch the movie. So you can watch any movie you like and any genre you prefer. All you have to do is watch is whenever and wherever you want and comment on it on this website and get paid for it. As you can see here, the payment is $15 per review letter with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. But this is only with one email. If you sign up with multiple accounts, you can obviously earn more. Even if you only do 10 video reviews a month, that's $150 right now just for watching videos, and that's probably what we'll always do on regular basis because I know we all love watching videos. And what really surprised me is that you can comment on movies you've watched in the past. So these are the rules for making money online with Animation Arena. Each comment you submit must be at least 50 words long, which is not much at all, and it has to be original, so you can't just copy and paste someone else's comment. You have to give your honest opinion about the movie, and that's basically all you have to do and at the end of each review, you have to rate the content on a scale of 10 to 10. So whatever you like about the movie, just write it. If you really enjoy the movie or don't like it, just give your honest opinion, and in return you will get paid $15 per review. Now suppose, for example, that you have finished watching a movie and now you want to send a comment. All you have to do is send an email to this email address located here with the same title, and then just answer this question below in your email. So this is how we make money online with Animation Arena. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you are interested in this tutorial, be sure to like it. And if you are interested in receiving more online business training for free, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. I have great surprise in store for you in future videos. My goal is to make money online, dear friends. If you have not yet earned through the internet, or if you have success in making money online, share your methods with your friends. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.